Hello everyone, in this video let us see what a self join is. Let us think and let us take a scenario which is very famous. There is nothing but an employee table. The employee table has got few fields. Say I want to store even the manager ID of this particular employee. So I'll use manager ID. This will be of type int, and as we know very well, manager is also an employee, so this manager ID is in turn pointing to this employee ID. So manager ID is a foreign key which is pointing to the primary key of same table. So manager ID is nothing but in turn the employee ID. For a manager, the manager ID will be null. So if an employee is manager, his manager ID will be null. Now I'll save this. Now how do I create the relationship? I'll just go for diagram. Should find manager ID. I'll select this. I'll drag and drop it on employee ID. You can see primary and foreign the same thing. I'll say OK. I will say OK. Normally you see this symbol for self referential integrity, you can say, or self reference. Now what I want employee ID, employee name, employee salary, date of birth and XYZ, plus I need the manager name as well. So manager is in turn the same employee, so I need to join this table with the same table. So that is nothing but self join. So in this scenario, I need to join employee with employee. So that is nothing but self join. Now to make the thing simple, what is it I'm going to do? I'm going to create a virtual table design. Here you can see this. I have employee table on left and employee table on right. Left employee table, I am aliasing it to be E1, and right employee table I am aliasing it to E2. And you can see this manager ID of E2 is now foreign key, which is referring to employee ID of E1, which is primary key. So we have created a virtual scenario where you have left table and right table. Now I'll write a simple join. So I'll keep this diagram in front of me. I'll just go for new. So I'll start with E2. I'll say select E2 dot EID, then E2 dot ename, then I'll say E1 dot ename as manager. So I'll say employee ID, employee name, then manager name. From left table, so I'll go for employee E2, join employee E1 on E2 dot manager ID equals to E1 dot employee ID. Now before I go for this, let me say select star from employee. So you can see this, I have employee 1, 2, 3. 1 is Raju, 2 is Ravi, 3 is David. Raju does not have any manager ID, that means Raju himself is a manager. Ravi, the manager ID is 1, so the manager of Ravi is Raju, the manager of David is also Raju. Now I'll execute this. Now you can see this, you get Ravi, manager is Raju, David, manager is also Raju. Now instead of join, if I say left outer join, it should also list Raju. Raju manager ID is null. So if manager is null, that means that particular employee is manager. So that's it. This is very simple. This is all about your self join. Thank you very much.